Hey guys, what's up? This is my Bose QC35 headphone, and as you can see here, these air cushions kind of gone bad, and this side also is coming up. So, I mean, you want to throw this away, but it's quite expensive and very good headsets. I don't want to throw them away. So what I did is ordered a very cheap, probably in Canadian $10, a nice cushions. Um, you can order via Best Buy. I did order via Best Buy. They have third-party marketplace where third-party guys sell these. So these are quite nice, as you can see here. It's quite nice. Okay, they sent something. This one probably to pop the ear cushions out. Another one. So here we go. So let's see how to replace them. So you can really pop them out. You can literally push it away and it kind of pops out very nicely. So if you can see here, this is the older one and this is the newer one. Very soft feeling. There is little difference. I'm doing it second time in 2 years. So roughly, I mean, I was lucky enough that it did last for more than 2 years, but usually people change it, depending on how you use it, between 6 months to 1 year or sometimes longer. The feeling of these ones from a cheaper marketplace is good. It's not bad. You can also order these from the Bose official online website, Bose website. They are a bit expensive, about 35 Canadian dollars. A little bit refined if you order from the Bose online store, but these are also good. Okay, so let's see. So I popped it out, right side one, and then if you try to peel it off, so it's just a little sticky here, it pops out. You can just take that one off as well. Also this one as well, you can and just peel it off, so it comes out nice. Okay, so now you can leave it or you can clean it very well with some kind of chemical, or I shouldn't call chemical, but some kind of a spray you can find where it can really stick out. But I just want to, very quick way, want to leave it as it is. Now, as you can see here, this came, and I want to put that very nice and smooth here. Now you can see here these edges, they are actually for this, so you got to be a bit careful to put it so that you align with this notch and that cut. Okay, and then you can just put it here very nicely. Okay, so as you can see here, good. Now this one, you can just simply after that put it, and just as you can see, hear the sound. It's a little tricky. You will have to, okay, just keep pushing that. Oh, it's taking quite a bit of time for me. Okay, good. Now hear the sound. That means that it is perfectly did fit in the slot. Good. Okay, yes, go very well here. It didn't go, looks like it didn't go very well here. And try again. Good. So I'm trying to align. You see these little slots here, and then these ones should slide in here. Good. 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 No, it is not going. Okay. Good. All right. Good. 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 All right. So this is very well nice. Okay. Nice. Okay, so smooth and nice on the right side. Now we're gonna do similar things on the left side. So very gently pull it. Good. You can see here, this is popping off. Now this is just ordered one, so you can see the difference, a little bit difference. Okay, so keep it here. Same thing here, the left side. Now I need to peel that off. Left side off here as well. Okay. There is, this is, be careful, you don't want to damage the wiring here. Okay. Peel this off here. Good. This one, be careful, don't want to damage the wiring. All right, so this one we go peel that off, and this one peel that off. Okay, peel that off here. Now that one goes like last time we did, very, very gently. Okay, good. Nice and smooth. As we can see here, there's a little notch here. There's a cut, so we align that. It fits very well. Now, same thing, same technique. We need to gently push it. Sometimes it can be quite tricky if you're doing it first time. It may not come properly. You might have to do it again. It will come off. Good. 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 And good. Nice and slide in here. A little bit popped out here. Good. Good. Fixed it in here. Good. Fixed it in there. Okay. Maybe I should use that to really push it through. That. Okay, so that is helpful. Either you can use this, what they sent, or you can use your fingers, nails to slide in through. So as you can see now, it looks like brand new. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this is helpful. Good. Thank you very much.